Hello everyone, welcome. Today I am excited to introduce the Nine9 NC Helix Drill, the hole-making solution tool as rough milling, drilling and slotting. We supply three types of holders. Cylindrical holder is for external coolant. Screw fit cutter with internal coolant. It is ideal for deep hole machining. And also side lock holder is for internal coolant. Let's take a closer look at how the NC Helix Drill provides a solution to the pain points customers face. First, when customers need to work with a lot of different hole sizes and depths, they often prepare many tools in stock. The pain point is not only the inventory cost, also stock management. Some tools you may just use once. It's money lost. NC Helix Drill not only machines one hole diameter, but enables to machine a range of hole sizes. Just 6 tools can drill hole sizes covering from 13 to 65 mm diameter. It's a big saving in tool inventories. Second pain point is when customers face chip problems. Using an end mill or drill, the chips are too big or too long. Longer chips will be stuck and wrap on the holder. So, the operator needs to stop machine and clean up. It's time wasting. NC Helix insert is with serrated geometry design. Enables to cut material into shorter and smaller chips. Swart removal become easier and efficiency. This is the ideal for automation production where continuous operation is required. Image when you need to drill a big hole, but only have low power spindle machine. For example, drilling a 25 mm hole on a BT30 machine. Using a U-drill can be tough. It may become a headache to you. Using Nine9 NC Helix Drill you can solve the problem. Due to the helical interpolation method, it consumes lower spindle power. Even in low-power spindle machine, NC Helix Drill can drill a hole larger than 20 mm or drilling depth greater than 3 times drill diameter. From the photo, you can see that NC Helix is not only to do a circular hole, but enables to machine a curved shape. Another pain point is when customer need to machine any type of workpiece surfaces, but using drills are impossible. You need to prepare additional milling tools. It wastes your money. NC Helix can drill a hole by milling process, which means it can handle a variety of workpieces. Thanks to the smaller gap between inserts, NC Helix Drill can cut with larger ramping angle for better productivity. Compared to other brand milling tool, which the ramping range is only about 5 to 6 degrees. With the NC Helix, the maximum ramping angle can reach up to 20 degrees. For these larger angles, the insert serrated teeth generate a strong holding force, ensuring greater stability of the drilling diameter. These solutions are like the features of NC Helix Drill. Let's review it again. It can reduce tool inventory. 6 tools can do hole size from diameter 13 to 65 mm. Second, NC Helix insert geometry can cut chips smaller and shorter, excellent for Swart control. Third, the NC Helix Drill demands lower spindle power consumption. Furthermore, NC Helix Drill enables to cut any surface or any type of holes. Besides of these features to overcome the pain points, NC Helix Drill also bring additional benefits. The first benefit is choosing the same insert grade. It can cover various materials, including difficult-to-cut materials such as Inconel. It saves customers money. Second benefit is happened when machining a blind hole. Traditional tool like U-drill or Heis drill cannot produce a flat bottom. Using NC Helix Drill, you can get a flat surface at bottom by just making one more turn after reaching the final depth. NC Helix Drill is mainly used for roughing, but the surface roughness can achieve around 1.5 micrometer, which is close to a semi-finished condition. Additional benefit of NC Helix Drill is using zigzag method. This is the programming we developed to boost machining efficiency by adapting as high a ramping angle as it can. The maximum ramping angle of NC Helix Drill is 20 degrees, which can make the production more productivity than traditional milling tools. Thank you for watching. For more information, feel free to follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn. Just search Nine9 Cutting Tools.